Hi everyone, Stacy with Positive Chaos. I just wanted to make a quick video to show you different ways that you can use memory wire. I know I always have leftover pieces of memory wire after making bracelets. So here are a few different, a couple different ways you can use it. Here, now these I used 14 gauge wire. These are pendants. I just been noticing a lot of frame work lately, a lot of beads wrapped around frames, so I just wanted to experiment with different materials. This is 16 gauge wire that you can use as earrings or pendants, and then you can wrap beads in there. All right, so for the memory wire, again, I always have pieces half memory wire that's still left over, like this. Some of the pieces are even smaller than that. So here, I want to start here. I was just playing around, trying to find different ways to finish, finish the piece. So here I just made a larger hoop. Well, I started out with a smaller hoop here. Loop here, and then I just made a larger loop, and I actually used these here. This is memory wire pliers. They work phenomenally. I love these pliers. It's by Bead. And if you visit my blog, you'll see where you can purchase these pliers. The address is stacyholman.com, and the blog name is Positive Chaos. So that's what I used to make this. So I'm going to make this a pendant. Hang it on. I'll just put a jump ring through here and hang it on a necklace. So of course I'm going to put beads around it. And this one here, I used two small loops. So I used this side here. Okay, so that's what I did for these. So I'm going to put those aside. And I decided that I like this way better. So what I did is, of course, I made my normal loop, and then I made another loop going in the different direction. And then I just attached them. So these are going to be earrings. These are going to be earrings. And these are finished, well, not completely finished, but these are a pair of earrings that I wrapped beads on. I'm sorry, I'll put it down. That I wrapped beads on. And I really like them. I really love these earrings. And all I have to do now, I can only wear sterling silver, so I'm just going to put sterling silver ear wires on here and wear them as my hoop earrings. So I love these earrings. And then also what you can do, whatever they're doing these days. I know they're wrapping beads around here, around the hoops. I know they're I've seen a lot of doing a brick stitch as your first layer around here, and then just adding beads onto that. The brick stitch is your foundation. You just add more beads. Even a tassel, you can do that as well. You can wrap beads, different beads. You can wrap different, you can wrap different lines, put in different lines of beads. You can put diagonal. I kind of like the diagonal. It's just different. It's different to me. I mean, it's not your standard cross, going across. And then I just love these earrings. And then I also wanted to show you these as well. These are finished. I have my sterling silver posts here, but this is also memory wire. This was my leftover memory wire, and I made this bead. I'm calling it memory wire finishing bead. I made this bead, but I went almost to the end of the bead, but I wanted to cap it somehow, and I was, just experimenting. And then this is made out of polymer clay. So I also work with polymer clay. I love it. You can make so many things with polymer clay. But I wanted a different finish for my memory wire instead of the standard loop that you would do at the end. And plus these are earrings. Sure, the loop would be behind, but usually to decorate the loop, you would hang a charm or tassel off of it. But again, these are earrings. This was going to be in the back. I wanted a nice professional finish. So that's what I did there. All right. So now to show you what I did, again, finished piece, leftover memory wire. So you have your loop going this way. But my next loop, I'm going to twist to the side. Twist it to the side. I'm going to make a loop. Now you have to make sure you get a good grip on it. Make it to the side. This takes a little bit of muscle. Okay. All right. And then, let's see. All right. So now I'm going to link. There's still a little bit of an opening there. I'm going to link the side loop around here. And then, now usually you'd have your flat nose pliers or chain nose pliers, and you would squeeze this closed. Let me get a good angle. Like this. You would squeeze it closed like this, but I just have these pliers. But you want to close that right there, and then you have your loop. You have your earring. You just do the same thing to this one, and you have your pair of earrings. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Again, you can make earrings, you can make pendants, you can use heavier gauge wire. Again, this is 16 gauge. You could probably use 18 gauge, but you definitely want to use a heavier wire for it to keep its form. And you can wrap beads around. So if you have any questions, you can contact me at positivechaos@gmail.com. You can visit my website at stacyholman.com. And if you have any questions, please, please, please ask. I would love to hear from you. If you try this and you create your own designs, please show them. Please let me know. I would love to see them. Again, it's stacyholman.com, and I'll talk to you soon.